Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Swagata and I live in Berlin.
In today's video, I'm going to share something really amazing with you all because I'm going to buy something which I wanted to buy for quite a long time. So let's go and see if we can find that product or not. Fingers crossed, I hope I find the product and I can buy it today. And I thought, why not share this entire experience with you all? So let's get started.
So I quickly got ready and we headed towards Saturn and Media Market here in Berlin. So we already checked online and saw that the product was available. So for that reason I was super excited.
Alexanderplatz.
So now we are heading towards Alexanderplatz where we can find both the stores. After reaching Alexanderplatz, first we went to Media Market inside the Alexa Mall. So Media Market is a big electronics store where you can find all sort of gadgets from cameras, phones, laptop to home appliances and more. We finally found what we came for. There was a DJI section and I saw the Osmo Pocket 3, and honestly, once you see it, it's a crime not to play with it. I was so excited to try it out. But sadly, we couldn't find it available for purchase. So we asked one of the store employees and he told us that it was out of stock and they weren't sure when it would come back. So with a heavy heart, we left Media Market and went to Saturn. At Saturn, we looked around at some other cameras and similar gadgets. Finally, we reached the DJI section again. But here also, unfortunately, the Osmo Pocket 3 was not available. So without wasting any more time, we decided to order it online from Amazon. From Saturn we bought the SD card because we have planned to already buy the camera from Amazon, so we needed the SD card, so it's better option to get it from here. And after all that walking, we got tempted by a smell of coffee, so we took a short coffee break and had a nice cup of coffee and some cake. While sitting there, we checked Amazon and good news, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo was available. So we placed the order right away. So it cost us around 679 euros and then we headed back home.
Guys, I'm super excited because I just got a notification that today I will receive the parcel and like within few hours, so I'm super excited.
So I bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo, but if you want, you can also just buy the camera by itself, which costs around 539 euros. The creator combo costs a bit more, but it includes some extra goodies. So let's see what comes inside the creator combo box. So here, as you can see, all the features, all the equipments that will come along with the Osmo Pocket 3 combo. So here is mentioned. So once you open the box, the first thing you see is a very compact and cute looking carry bag where you can keep everything in one place. and there is another box. So here is the manual and step-by-step guide how you can operate the camera, and also they have provided some stickers. So inside this white box there is the protective cover. So let's move forward to what's inside the bag. First, the star of the show, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. It's so tiny and lightweight, it literally fits in your hand or even your pocket. The coolest part, the little camera head moves so smoothly. That's the gimbal, and it keeps your video looking super steady even if your hands shake. And next we have this cute little handle that provides better grip and has a 1/4 inch thread at the bottom, which allows you to mount the camera on the tripod or other accessories. And then we have the battery handle. So this is quite amazing. You just attach it to the camera and it gives you more battery life. So suppose if you are filming continuously, you don't have to stop and charge. And then we got this tiny thing. This is the wide angle lens, which I did not open here. I will show you all definitely later sometime when I will be using the camera. And now here we have the wireless mic. You can clip it on your shirt and it connects to the camera without any wires. It makes your voice sound really clear even if you are far from the camera. And this fluffy thing here is a windscreen. It actually goes over the mic to block wind noise. So if you're filming outside, your audio won't sound messy or full of winds. And also got this wrist strap. This is a charging cable. It's a regular USB-C cable, the same type you might use for your phones. And cute little thing over here is a mini tripod. It's super cute. You can set your camera down on a table or flat surface. Perfect if you are doing time lapse or if you don't want to hold it while recording. So these are all 12 accessories that came along with the combo pack. If you want to buy only the camera, you can also do that, but I purchased this creator combo, so I received this 12 things, which looks quite amazing to me. So here is the protective case. This keeps the camera safe when you are not using it. So the gimbal is kind of delicate, so it's good to have this protective case. Now this is the most satisfying part. Look how cute this camera looks.
Finally got my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 combo pack, and I'm really excited, and the product looks amazing. It's super cute, and I hope you all like this unboxing video, and if you did so, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.